Okay, look how beautiful. This is just a massive, massive pile of goodness right here. Gonna spray on a little more lime juice. Got all the rest of those vegetables, and from the this actually just looks like a big massive salad, right? And then I'm going to be putting on some of those lentil sprouts, and these are micronutrients. When you sprout, this is a whole other level of nutrition beyond macronutrients. So having live foods in your diet like that is so wonderful for gut health and gives you so many more health benefits than even these beautiful macronutrients here. I may not eat all of this, though I certainly could without any guilt. And I'm gonna have these chips to dip in there. Plus, I will also be taking a spoon with me, and I'll make sure to leave plenty of room to have this delicious sweet potato chocolate pudding. Let me know in the comments, is this a type of meal that you like to enjoy? I love a tapas meal. It's a Saturday night. I'm gonna watch a movie, kick back, relax. It's blazing hot outside, and so I'm gonna have something light and delicious here at home and sleep like a baby. Thank you again so much for watching. See you in the next video.